Hello and welcome back to Ride Rescue. In this episode, I'm going to get the front bumper back on this car. The bumper's got some dings and dents in it. It's got a little bit of a bend on the top. It's been bumped and jostled and thrown around in the garage. It's got some scratches. It's got some surface rust. So I've got some different ideas on how I want to buff this fender up. There's a couple of chemicals I want to try out. So I'll walk you through that in this episode, and then we'll get this front bumper on. And the bumper's got a couple of dents in it, a couple of bends. Overall, the chrome's in pretty good shape. It's got a lot of dents all along here. It's like whoever parked it, every time they parked, they bumped up against a pole or something. And as you can see with the old license plate, this is the 1974-75 Nevada license plate that was on the car when it was abandoned. Supposedly it was abandoned somewhere in the desert. That's the story. When the cops had it impounded and sold for scrap. Luckily, it never got scrapped. Another car saved. So I'm going to attempt to straighten this bumper out as much as I can, and then I will get it polished up and put it back on. So before I start pounding on this bumper, because it's pretty thick metal, I'm going to have to hit it pretty hard. We want to make sure we're safe. Pretty good. What I'm doing is, as this pushed in the middle, pushed out on the top, I'm just trying to smooth that down. It's really hard to tell, but it looks like there's a high spot right here. That's it. Now I have one last bend. Tend to. That's going to be a tough one. This is pushed in right here. It's like they put a jack underneath it and jacked it up. It's like I got pushed out right there from the bumper bracket too. I might leave that alone. This pushed out both sides. Let's see. But for now, I'll figure out how to get that out. Oh, that was easy. Thought that was going to take a lot more work than that. Okay. Now what? These are pretty cool bolts that go into the frame. They have a cog, so that once you get it in there, you can twist the cog and it'll raise and lower the bumper. Make it really easy to adjust. I've got a couple of different polishing compounds that I want to try on this bumper. Got a lot of scratches and dings, but I think it'll shine up nice. I've never tried this quick glow. I saw a video by Jay Leno that looked really promising, and I bought this Flitz at a car show a couple of years ago, and I've tried it on paint and I've tried it on some stainless steel, but I've never tried it on a bumper. So we'll try that as well. We'll see which one's the best. So I use the Flitz on this side and the Quick Glow on the other side. This is a runnier, kind of a liquid paste. This flits. Does a pretty good job. Looks like it's going to take a lot of elbow grease. And if anything, it'd probably be a lot better if I put a buffing wheel on a drill and really attack that hard with a buffer. So let's try the original Quick Glow and see how that goes. It's a paste. It's pretty thick. Yeah, hands down the winner. The Quick Glow really cuts it fast. It cuts off the grime. It cuts through the rust. There's little bubbles of rust from behind the license plate. The flits didn't even touch it. Quick Glow just cut right through it. One of the things that's so nice about the Quick Glow is it's got waxes and different chemicals. So there's not only just cleaning, but then you're pressing in a wax and a sealer and rust proofing into any of the flaws in the chrome. So the rust doesn't come back anywhere near as fast as it would with the flits or just a plain scouring pad or steel wool. So yeah, I'm a believer. This works really good. Wow. That is fantastic. I'm very impressed. I think I paid $14 for this online. I've seen it on eBay, and Quick Glow has their own website. But definitely shout out to them. The quickest shine since 1957. And this is a 1960. How was that? That's pretty cool. Wow, that flit's just didn't even touch this area, and it's just coming right off. Cleaning up, beautiful. I thought it would take a lot of this product too to clean this, but it goes a long ways. A lot of rust in this area. A lot of fine pits. So another really good test. Wow, it just cuts right through. Wow, that is fantastic. Yeah, that is a really, really fantastic product. It also says on the label and online that this works really good for glass, rearview mirrors, headlights. I want to try it on these original T3 headlights. They still have a little bit of film on them, some hard water deposits. See how it works. Pretty amazing. This headlight I cleaned with steel wool, and it feels clean. This headlight, it feels like it's got sandpaper on it. But yet, when I polish it, it just takes it right off. And now it's just a nice, smooth, waxed surface. And they look brand new. They're beautiful. So yes, the Quick Glow works fantastic on glass too. Alright, well, I won't bore you anymore with my ranting and raving of such a great product and finishing this bumper up. So I'll get this done and now I'll start putting it on. I have never put a bumper on that had so many bolts. I have 4 left to adjust. This one's done. I'm about done myself. Wow, that's a lot of work. The cams, the little adjusting cams are fantastic. To adjust that big heavy bumper, they work really good. Alright, I've got a couple bolts for the whole front end of the car that holds it all to the frame that I've been holding off on and waiting till I get everything adjusted. Those last 2 bolts is all I've got. The front end of this car is, well, almost. I've still got some trim pieces and the latch that holds the hood down. Then I'm done. So just one last word on the quick glow. I'm just really impressed. You can see this bumper had a lot of rusty spots, and the shine is just amazing, especially under behind the license plate bracket. That was all just rust. You can see just a lot of really good shine. There are some areas that it didn't touch, but it looks like somebody spilled battery acid on the paint and on the top, and it has damaged the chrome. But for how abused this bumper was, lying around in a garage for 40 years and being moved around and left lying on the floor, it was rusty. And what's really amazing is I did that whole bumper, and that's all I used. I thought I would use that whole container to do the front bumper, and now I'm going to be able to do many bumpers. Again, I'm very impressed with Quick Glow. Check them out. Thanks again for watching. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate any comments you might leave me, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. We'll be back again soon. Bye for now.